So a question that I've gotten in the last 2 years over and over and over again is, how much money have you made on that one video with the hacker kid? The one that has 22 million views. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how much I've made on that video and also a little bit of information and update on the channel. Now, before we get started, I want to say thank you to all of you that have gone over from my YouTube to my Twitch channel to check it out. Link is down in the description if you want to check that out and drop a follow. I'm streaming usually every day, so if you want to come hang out, that's really the spot to see me. I am going to be getting back into YouTube, but I have a lot of stuff to figure out with my schedule and editing and timing and a whole bunch of boring back-end content creator stuff. But regardless, thank you so much for those of you that have come by. Now that we've said that, let's get right into the video topic. How much money have I made on that video? It's probably gonna surprise you. The video has 22 million views. It took around a month to get past 1,000 views, and it's been uploaded for about 2 years now. Now, before we get into the analytics of that YouTube video, which I will be showing to you guys, I'm not trying to clickbait you in any way. I want to talk about a few things. Before this video blew up my channel and I started getting thousands and thousands of views per video, I was running a 50 hertz monitor, an i5 CPU, a GTX 960, so it wasn't the best setup. So I want to say that I'm really, really grateful for this video having popped off and absolutely blowing my mind. A specific story that I remember about this was I had told my mom that I uploaded this video because it was something unique. You know, I told her, hey, I bumped into this hacker kid and I recorded it, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to upload this video. I was worried about if the content was good enough, if people would even like it. I was being really picky about the audio. I had taken the VOD from my Twitch channel, so the visual quality wasn't as high as I wanted it to be. And she said, just upload it. And I remember her specifically saying, how many views do you want this video to have? Because I was like, even if I upload it, I don't know if it's gonna get that many views. And she says, well, how many views do you want it to get? So I said, like 1 million. You know, she goes, 1 million? I said, okay, 10 million. And she goes, all right, then you'll hit 10 million. And I was like, Mom, there's no way I'm going to hit 10 million views on this video. Like, do you know how rare it is to get a video that hits 10 million views? And she says, hey, it could happen. The video at its peak was getting like 800,000 views in a day. That's insane. That is crazy. Now, keep in mind, it didn't stay at this amount for very long. This video has been uploaded for around 2 years. The actual release date of this video was July 31st, 2019. And as I'm recording this video now, September 7th, 2021, it is at 22.8 million views. Now, I want to keep this video short, guys. It's kind of like an introduction coming back into YouTube, a different style of content. I really want to be making content that I can just talk to the camera and hang out. So, without further ado, let's get right into some of the analytics of this video. So as you can see, the video has 22.8 million views with a watch time of 1.5 million hours watched. Just to put that into perspective, people have spent 62,500 days watching this video. That's like 171 years of watch time on this video. That is insane. That is an insane amount of hours watched. I've gained 122,000 subscribers from this video alone. And the number that all of you came here to see, how much estimated revenue have I made? $34,163.74 on this one video here. Now, I did not make this video to brag. This video is just to kind of have a transparency, and I've thought about making this video for a long time, and now it just kind of felt right. $26,913.62 American dollar. That's a lot of dollars for one video. That's like how much people make in a year. Some people make that in a year. And I'm incredibly grateful to have made that in this one video. Now, I'd love for all of my videos to hit this, but you know, unless your dream getting 10, 12 million views a video, or PewDiePie, that's not something that comes by often, you know? And I just want to say thank you to all of you that have watched it, shared it, checked out my other videos, gone to my Twitch channel, become a part of the community, joined the Discord, and you know, I appreciate that. So thank you. That being said, if you're done watching the video, sure. If you want to learn a little bit more about the analytics that we're going to go into, I'm going to talk a little bit about what made this video pop off just for about a minute or two, because I think it's important to touch on these subjects when you're discussing something like this. Most of the views, 96.7% of the views on this video came from suggested video. For those of you who are content creators looking to get more views on your videos, it's really important to try to get into that YouTube search, suggested videos, related videos section on YouTube, so that YouTube promotes you and your videos on other people's channels as well. Another very important statistic to look at on your YouTube videos is impression click-through rate. This is basically how many people see the thumbnail and how many people click on it. So the higher this number is, the better, obviously. Because this video has had almost 500 million impressions, the click-through rate is going to be much smaller. But if your videos are averaging 10, 20, 100,000 and you're seeing a lower click-through rate, maybe try tweaking your content a little bit, your thumbnails, change them up a bit, change the titles, because for whatever reason, people aren't clicking on it. So this is a really good analytic that I've looked at through the years of content creation, and it is something that helps you kind of fine-tune and see what people like. What is your audience like? Then here's the next part. Once you see that click-through rate going up, you need to see your engagement, which is basically how much time people watch of the video. The more people watch on the video, the more YouTube thinks that it's a good, engaging video and will recommend it to other people. You could have an impression click-through rate of 50%. And then if you have a very, very low average view duration, it signals a red flag to YouTube and it says, clickbait alert, and it won't promote your video. So those are basically some quick tips that I have at the end of my video. I know I didn't say I was gonna do a tips video, but somehow this has turned into that, and I guess that's what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little insight into how much a video that has 22 million views can make, at least this specific video. It's obviously always going to vary depending on how long the video is, how competitive the target demographic is. There's so many factors that go into how much money a video can make. But I wanted to show you guys this because I feel like a lot of you guys are curious and you just want to know. So if you did enjoy it, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe down below, ring that bell so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you either on my Twitch channel or on the next video. Peace out, guys. Have a good night.